welcome. So I went to Walgreens this morning because I could not pass up the pop, or not the pop, but like the food deal. I'm sorry I say pop, but I could not pass up the food deal. Today's deal for Walgreens, Monday, is it the 22nd? The 24th, Monday, July 24th, it is spend $20 on food, snacks, beverages. You get $10 back in rewards. Now, a couple of you guys did say you did pay with rewards and you got rewards back. If you want to chance it, go for it. I'm just not chancing it. Plus, I'm just trying to build my points. Another thing is, there's also a thing where you get like an additional like 20 something points, or 20, is it 25% back all week long, or I can't remember, but I'm going to share with you guys what I got today. Now, I went to my other Walgreens that's near me. I rarely go to that store anymore because it's a smaller store, but I really wanted to get A&W root beer because my daughter and I absolutely love root beer. And right now, this week, they are 3 for $13.99. So not the greatest deal. I mean, the prices just keep going up and up and up. But they are 3 for $13.99. So I ended up getting 3 of those. Walgreens, the store I went to yesterday, didn't have any root beer. So thankfully, my store had root beer. So I got that. My daughter sprained her foot yesterday really badly where she can't walk on it. So she wanted a little treat. So I got her, she just wanted this. So I got this for $2.99. But we ended up getting that. And so I was trying to find like $20 worth of groceries to get. Now I was going to get Cheez-Its, but my store was completely sold out of Cheez-Its. Right now they are $3.99 and they are buy one, get one free. So I was going to get those, but then they didn't have them. But I ended up getting some of the Barnum's Animal Crackers. I haven't had these in forever, and we are going on a mini road trip this coming weekend. So I thought these would be perfect for myself or the kids to eat. So these were 3 for $6. So that's $2 a box. So I ended up getting that. So between these and the root beer, I was like less than $1 short from hitting the $20 mark. So if you guys are if you want something like this, they have other snacks that are 3 for $6. But if you guys are getting something like that, get like a candy bar or something that the candy does include it. So if you're not sure, scan the item and then look kind of below it. It'll say if you spend $20, you get $10 in cash. That's how you know if it qualifies. So some of the candy does qualify. So I'm like, okay, but I get an employee discount, so I had to spend a little bit more. But I ended up getting these because I was craving some peanuts. Now, these are the honey roasted peanuts. These were 2 for $5. So I got these because you couldn't pass up those. So between the root beer, the Barnum crackers, and these, I hit my quota for spending $20. But you guys know what? A couple of you guys told me you were still having a hard time finding school supplies. And I told you this week is the week to stock up. I went to Walmart when I got done with Walgreens yesterday. They want like $1.18 at Walmart for these. So I got these, or $1.24 or something like that. These are 50 cents at Walgreens this week. And then I got more markers. Now, my store had an end cap of all the Crayola stuff. Was not priced all properly, but then I went in the aisle and it was priced properly, but the end cap was like empty, but the aisle was not. So if you guys are not finding these, they might have them in a second spot. But these are $1.99, or 99 cents. 99 cents. I think Walgreens, or I think Walmart wants like almost $2 for these. So I had to get more markers because I can't pass up this, and then I always get stuff for like if the schools need that. So that was everything that I got, the root beer and everything. So my total came to $25.37. $25.37 for everything, which is kind of crazy, but I will take it. But I ended up getting back $16.50 worth of points. $16.50. I forgot to pay with Register Rewards. I just remembered I had Register Rewards to use and I forgot to pay with them. That's okay. Yeah, $16.50. So I didn't do the math on this, but I'll go there again later this week to use it again. So basically I paid $25.37 and I got $16.50 back. I paid $8.87 for 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 items. That's 73 cents each. Can't go wrong. 12 items for that. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. But definitely stock up. I say pop, a lot of you guys say soda. You guys, I'm from Wisconsin. We say pop, but I've been trying to say soda for you guys. But I just want to give you guys a heads up. Get to Walgreens, get those deals, stock up. I can't remember what tomorrow is, but I will definitely share with you guys on that. I think it's for beauty or something like that. Give me 1 second and I will check. Okay, so in the Walgreens app for tomorrow, so Tuesday, it is spend $35, you get a 15 cash rewards, plus you also will be getting the 25% all week. So you guys definitely want to go ahead and do that. And then Thursday is if you spend $45, you get $20 in Walgreens cash, which I will try to do. And then I also have Saturday, you get an additional 10%. So it is a pretty decent deal today. Definitely go ahead and get those points raised up. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. See you later. Bye-bye.